But look at that. Isn't that amazing? Look at that. Add 1/2 cup of water, 2 cups of white granulated sugar, a pinch of cream of tartar, and 1 cup of corn syrup to a large pot. Set burner in between medium-low and medium heat. Stir gently until the sugar dissolves. Then let it sit for several minutes until it bubbles and reaches 300 degrees Fahrenheit, which is the hard crack stage. If you want the glass clear, make sure to take it off right as it starts to turn yellow. This one will be darker and is harder to color. Add a few drops of food coloring and hard candy flavoring if desired, then stir and pour it onto a sheet pan lined with a silicone baking mat, or you can spray a pan with cooking spray. Let it sit for an hour or two until cool and hard. Then break it apart as desired. Here's a blue one. Any Breaking Bad fans? Here's one without any food coloring. And here's one I heated up higher than 300 degrees Fahrenheit to produce a root beer bottle color. Eat as is or use as decorations for other baked goods, props, etc. Enjoy! Find the recipe on my website, inthekitchenwithmatt.com.